Heredos Atticus Bathhouse and Aqua complex. Alexandria-Troas was like rebuilt, especially during the reign of the Roman Emperor Publius Aelius Hadrianus. During the Roman period, especially the granite mines in the surrounding area started to be used at full capacity, and granite construction materials and especially granite columns were started to be exported from Troas to all parts of the Roman Empire. During this period, Herodes Atticus, who was a Greek aristocrat, sophist, and also served as a Roman senator and governor of all the independent cities in Anatolia, including Troas, gave great importance to Troas. Troas was in a great drowsiness with its crowded population. As a solution to this problem, Herodes Atticus built a bathhouse, an aqueduct, a cistern, and a water canal complex, the largest one seen in Anatolia during that Roman period.